Hi guys, welcome back to Ghost Pepper Official. Today I'm gonna show you my crab collection. And good thing my arm is better. You can't see the jellyfish thing. Anyway, let's show you my crabs. So I went crab hunting and I'll flip the camera light. Yeah, so this is where the crabs are. Oh, this one. Where are they all alive? Other side, you can see. So you can see this one right here. Look. This one you can see right here. The one right here is supposed to be another one.
Don't you ever go, darling, 'cause you're all that I know, you're all that I know. Why did you change your mind? And now I'm on my own, maybe I'll call you on the phone, maybe I'll just,
Oh, oops. So yeah, you can see Mom. Wait.
And then
Mom,
she
can you
said
flash?
during a 25-minute walk, she earned $90. $90 from a 25-minute walk.
So you can see there's 1, 2, 3.
Oh, those are big.
Yeah. They are big. That's why we're separating.
Don't make the sand too wide.
Okay. So that's the one. Those are the big ones. I'll show you the small ones. As you can see, there is so much. 1, 2, 3. My cousins helped me catch them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I don't know how much there are. If you know how much there are, comment down below. Comment down below if you know how many there are. You can see all those white parts. Those are crabs. Like look, right here are filled with crabs. It's so cool. If you want to catch crabs with me in Natipuan, I'll fly you out to Natipuan. Just comment down below if you want to help me catch crabs. And also like and subscribe to the video and then we'll fly you out. Okay. That's the end of the video guys. Bye! See you in our next vlog!